fruitful tree. Children, this is the first poem in the course book. And now we will do the workbook part for this poem, Fruitful Tree. The first section here is Nurture Your Mind. A. Tick the correct answer to complete the sentences. Children, here we have 4 sentences which are incomplete and they have blanks in them. We have to choose the correct word from these given 3 options and put the tick mark in the boxes provided here beside the correct word. 1. Dash cared for my need. And the options are A. Father Nature, B. Mother Nature, C. Grandmother Nature. And the correct word here is option B. Mother Nature. So we will put the tick mark here in the box for Mother Nature. Mother Nature cared for my need. 2. I have dash branches. The options are here A. No one, B. Only some, C. So many. And the correct word here is option C. So many. So we will put the tick mark here for option C. I have so many branches. 3. I make homes dash. The options are A. With tiny twigs, B. With big twigs, C. With small twigs. So here the correct option in the blank is with tiny twigs, option A. We will put the tick mark here for option A. I make homes with tiny twigs. 4. Then why don't people dash? The options are A. Let me die, B. Let me live, C. Let me go. And the correct answer here is the option B. Let me live. So we will put the tick mark here for option B. Then why don't people let me live? So now we have selected the correct answer for each sentence from the given options. 1. Mother Nature cared for my need. 2. I have so many branches. 3. I make homes with tiny twigs. 4. Then why don't people let me live? This is about the A bit. Now we will move to the next bit. B. Match the words in A with the words that rhyme, sound the same in B. Children, here we have 2 columns, column A and column B. We have to match the words in this column A with the words that rhyme in the column B. The rhyming words are the words which end with the same sound. Now let me read the words given here in 2 columns. Seed, tree, give, herd, twigs, many, live, shepherd, figs, need, company, tree. And now we have to match these words with their rhyming words from this column. First, seed. The rhyming word for seed is need. We will match seed with need. 2. Tree. The rhyming word for tree is tree. We will match tree with tree. 3. Give. The rhyming word for give is live. we will match give with live. 4. Herd. The rhyming word for herd is shepherd. We will match herd with shepherd. Herd, shepherd. 5. Twigs. The rhyming word for twigs is figs. We will match twigs with figs. Twigs, figs. 6. Many. The rhyming word for many is company. We will match many with company. So children, these are the rhyming words. From A, column A, we have matched with column B. Seed, need. Tree, tree. Give, live. Herd, shepherd. Twigs, figs. Many, company. So this is about the bit B. Now we will move to the next bit. C. Choose the correct preposition and write in the blank. Children, here we have 6 sentences with blanks in each sentence. Now we have to fill in these blanks with the correct preposition. And these prepositions we are given as an options here beside the sentence. So from these 2 options, we have to select the correct preposition and fill in this blank. We have 2 options for each sentence. We have to select one correct preposition for each sentence. 1. Oil is sold dash liter. And here the options given are in, on. And the correct preposition is in. Oil is sold in liter. 2. He will see me dash a week. The 2 options here are after, for. And the correct preposition is after. He will see me after a week. 3. They went dash the room. The options given here are in, into. And the correct preposition is into. They went into the room. 4. Essay was written dash pencil. And the 2 options here are for, with. The correct preposition for this sentence is with. Essay was written with pencil. 5. We will go to Mumbai dash Sunday. The 2 options are on, in. And the correct preposition for this blank is on. We will go to Mumbai on Sunday. 6. School will open dash Tuesday. And the options here are on, by. And the correct preposition here is on. School will open on Tuesday. So these are the prepositions by which we have completed the sentence. Oil is sold in liter. He will see me after a week. They went into the room. Essay was written with pencil. We will go to Mumbai on Sunday. School will open on Tuesday. So this is about the C bit regarding the prepositions. And now we will move to the next bit. D. Match the words with their opposites. Children, here we have 2 columns and we have to match the words in this column with their opposites from this column. The words here are waste, tiny, more, before, right. And here the words in this column are less, after, huge, wrong, save. Now we will match these words with their opposites from this column. 1. Waste. The opposite word for waste is save. We will match waste with save. 2. Tiny. The opposite word for tiny is huge. 3. More. And the opposite for more is less. We will match more with less. 4. Before. And the opposite for before is after. 5. Right. The opposite word for right is wrong. We will match right with wrong. So these are the opposite words. Waste, save. Tiny, huge. More, less. Before, after. Right, wrong. And this is about the D bit. Now we will move to the next bit. E. Join the words that go together using A and D and write the names in the blanks provided. Children, here we have two columns. We have to join the two words by using the word and the two words should be appropriate. We should add two appropriate words by using the word A and D and. The words here are big, flowers, clean, birds, trees, neem, people, plants, small, fruits, animals, purify. And now we will join the two appropriate words together by using A and D. 1. Big. We can join the word big with small. So big and small. We will write here. Big and small. 2. Flowers and we can join with fruits. Flowers and fruits. Flowers and fruits. 3 is clean. We can join clean with purify. Clean and purify. We will write here the word clean and purify. 4. Birds. We can join the word birds with animals. Birds and animals. We will write this word under number 4. Birds and animals. 5. Trees. We can join the word trees with plants. Trees and plants. We will write under 5. Trees and plants. 6. Neem. We can join the word neem with people. Neem and people. We will write in number 6 neem and people. So children, we have joined these words with appropriate words from this column by using the word A and D. 1. Big and small. 2. Flowers and fruits. 3. Clean and purify. 4. Birds and animals. 5. Trees and plants. 6. Neem and people. So this is about the E bit. Now we will move to the next bit. F. Use ly or wards to words. Children, here we are given 7 words and to these words we have to add either ly or wards to form appropriate words. And the words given here are clever, up, slow, back, sweet, down, often. And now to these words we will add ly or wards to form a correct word. 1. Clever. So for clever we will add ly and the new word formed is cleverly. 2. Up. To up we will add wards and form a new word upwards. 3. Slow. For the slow word we will add ly and form a new word slowly. 4. Back. For back, back, we will add wards to form backwards. The new word is backwards. 5. Sweet. sweet, sweet. For this word we will add ly and form sweetly. 6. Down. To this word we will add wards and form a new word downwards. 7. Often. To this word we will add ly and form oftenly. Thus we have completed the words by adding ly or wards. Clever, cleverly. Up, upwards. Slow, slowly. Back, backwards. Sweet, sweetly. Down, downwards. Often, oftenly. So this is about the F bit. Now we will move to the next bit. G. Write 4 or 5 lines about the importance of trees. Yes children, in this bit you have to write 4 or 5 lines about the importance of trees. You can write like this in your workbook. You can take the help of these sentences and you can frame your own sentences about the importance of trees and write in your workbook. Trees are of invaluable importance to our environment and to human well-being. They give us clean air to breathe, shade and food to humans, animals and plants. They provide habitats for numerous species of fauna and flora, firewood for cooking and heat, materials for buildings, and places of spiritual, cultural and recreational importance. Trees are so important for the global environment and the health of the species that live there, and they need our unconditional care and protection. Yes children, trees are very important to the human well-being. They give us clean air to breathe. They give us shade. They give us food to animals and plants also. And they give us wood for making furniture and firewood for cooking. They give us materials for buildings. So trees are very important and we should take care of them and protect them. So children, like this you can form your own sentences regarding the importance of trees. And now we will move to the next bit. Under H bit we have color the picture beautifully. Yes, we have a picture in the H bit. This picture we have to color it beautifully with your different colors. So children, you can color this picture in your workbook with your favorite colors. Here are some colors with which this picture is colored. We have used these colors. You can use your own colors. We have used blue for the sky and sun for orange and green for trees and the grassland. We have brown for trunk and the house, and then we have mountains and the river. So you can color this picture in your workbook with your favorite colors and make it look beautiful. So children, this is about the H bit. Now we have completed the H bit by coloring the given picture. With this, we completed the workbook part for the poem Fruitful Tree.